Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be sharing the horoscope predictions for Cancer for the week of May 22nd to May 28th, 2023. Get ready to bask in the warm and radiant light of Venus as it continues to grace your sign. Love, career, and personal growth are in focus. Let's explore the details. Love. Let's begin with love, dear Cancer. You'll be illuminated by the warm and dazzling light of Venus, which continues to reside in your sign. For singles, the doors of love will open, and you'll encounter encounters that should not be overlooked or underestimated. It could be your true opportunity to find a soulmate. It's time to receive before giving, a departure from your usual approach. Claim the space you deserve in both your professional and personal life. Established couples with future plans will begin to see them materialize, with proposals of marriage or the arrival of a baby. Your lucky numbers are 61 and 75. Career. Moving on to your career. Dear Cancer, Venus continues to shine in your sign, emanating a warm, welcoming, and generous light. Absorb all the qualities that make you one of the most endearing signs in the zodiac when it comes to professional relationships. Enjoy this situation, which is always about giving before receiving, and learn to better receive all that you deserve. General predictions. Many new developments are on the horizon for Cancer individuals. May concludes with new encounters and exciting experiences. Pay attention, as you may come across someone truly interesting. You'll also experience many satisfactions in the workplace, leaving behind tedious tasks and finally having time for personal projects. Have faith in your abilities and make your voice heard. The upcoming week will be unstable, accompanied by some fatigue and nervousness. Seek maximum understanding within your family and relationships with others. If something isn't working, avoid insisting. Disputes may arise in the professional sphere for those who work on Sundays. Take care of any stomach-related discomfort. That wraps up the horoscope predictions for Cancer this week. Remember, these forecasts are meant to inspire and guide you. Embrace the warmth, love, and opportunities coming your way. Learn to receive as you give and cherish the connections you make. Stay patient during the challenges, and nurture your well-being. We wish you a harmonious and fulfilling week ahead.